Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Today I'm here to explain the process. How will you attempt the paper on Google Classroom using and how will you submit the paper using Google Classroom. Okay, first of all, you need to log in with your email account to join the Google Classroom. Okay, and we will we are going to use both things, the Zoom and the Google Classroom. Okay, for attempting the paper. Zoom is used to monitor. Okay, your teacher will monitor you using the Zoom links, and you will join the Zoom class as well. And using the Google Classroom, you will upload and download the paper after solving. So first of all, first thing first, you can download the app from the Play Store as well, or you can open the Google Classroom from your web browser. It's up to you which way is more comfortable for you. Okay? You can choose either ways. So I'm going to install the app, okay, from the Play Store. The name of app is Google Classroom. Google Classroom. Okay, it already had 100 million plus downloads. Okay, so you will install this. It is a very small app. It will take just 1 minute to download, depending on the speed of your internet connection. So we will have to wait for the installation. Okay, when we already have given you the Google Classroom links, so you only have to click on the links and you join the class by accepting the dialog box which says if you really want to join the class, you will say yes. Okay, and you will be entered in the classroom. And after entering in the classroom, you can see the students and the teacher in your Google Classroom. So the app has been installed, so I will open it now. Open, get started. Okay, after this you will have to provide the email address, okay, which you are going to use for this Google Classroom account. So I will use this email. So it will redirect me to the account, and now I can say if you have the Google Classroom links, you will just click on that link and you will be joined. You can join the link by accepting the dialog box. Okay, and after that you can see the classes which you have joined in your class list in your tabs. Okay, the on the left hand side, the three lines. Okay, you will click on this and here are the classes which you have joined. Okay, so I almost have joined all the classes, so that I can see the number of students in each class. So you will see only the classes which you have joined. Okay, so here is the class path post 10th C. So you can see the classwork here in the at the bottom, which says stream, classwork and people. Okay, when you click on the classwork at the bottom center, so it will show you the classwork which the teacher has assigned you. Okay, so far no classwork has been assigned. So and in the third tab you can see the people. So it will show me the people that have those who have assigned with those who have joined the classroom. Okay, there are 3 students who have joined the classroom so far. So you need, first of all, you need to join each and every class, every classroom of your subject. Okay, for specific subject. And after joining the class, how can you see the paper? So I have made the demo class for you for the tutorial purpose, and you will I'm going to open this class, demo class. Okay, so here you can see the two of the assignments have been assigned to me as a student in demo class. So I will click on classwork at the bottom. Classwork. Okay, you can see the phase 1 test 1. okay, phase 1, test 1. So it will have two things here. One is subjective portion and one is objective portion of the paper. Okay, so I'm going to choose the first of all you will solve the objective portion of paper. Okay, the objective portion of paper may appear at the top or bottom, but you have to solve the objective portion first. Okay, so for starting the objective portion of paper, you will just click on this the objective. Okay, and after clicking this, you will be directed to the objective part of the paper. Okay, objective. You can see there are two things here, MCQs and OMR sheet. So OMR sheet is for your guidance. Okay, for your guidance, so that you will be able to now how will you solve the paper OMR sheet in the board exams. This time the board exams will be the objective portion of your paper will be taken on the OMR sheet. So I'm going to show you the OMR sheet first of all. So this is your OMR sheet. Okay, your teacher will, already have explained how to fill the OMR sheet in the Google Zoom meetings. So you can take guidance from them as well. Okay, and when you are going to take the papers in the exam, your teacher, the concerned teacher, will explain the process how to fill the OMR sheet. Okay, this sheet. So don't worry about that. So this is the MCQs paper here. Okay, you can see the guidelines at the top after the classroom. Okay, your objective portion 6 points. Okay, 6 points, it means this objective paper will have the 6 marks for you. Okay, 6 marks. And at the bottom you can see late submission is not allowed, you will not be able to upload after 10:30, upload your file within time. अब इसमें क्या है कि आपको बता दिया गया कि आप अपनी फ़ाइल 10:30 के बाद अपलोड नहीं कर सकते. सो यू विल हैव टू अपलोड इट बिफोर 10:30. ओके, 10:30 AM. उससे पहले आप इस MCQs की फ़ाइल को अपलोड करेंगे. तो वो प्रोसेस मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि आप इसको कैसे अपलोड करेंगे और कैसे इसको सबमिट करवाएंगे टीचर को. ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इसको देख लेते हैं. ये आपका MCQs का पेपर है. ठीक है, ये एक जनरल सा पेपर है मैंने जो आपके लिए बनाया हुआ है. ठीक है, इसमें ये आपके पास फास्ट मेरा कंप्यूटर का सब्जेक्ट है, तो इसमें 12 MCQs हैं. सो ईच MCQs विल कैरी 0.5 मार्क्स. सो टोटल 6 मार्क्स एज ए होल. ओके, एंड after solving the paper, you will solve the MCQs on your register or on your pages. Okay. And you will just write the MCQs number, and in front of MCQ number you will write just the option, the correct option. For suppose MCQ number 5, so for MCQ number 5 the correct option will be C, for suppose. So you will write 5, and after that you will write C, number 5 C, number 6 D, and number 7 F. Okay, first suppose the name of the answer. Okay, the number of the answer. Okay, after this okay beta, keep in mind that the paper, or you can say the answer sheet must be uploaded within the specified amount of time. Okay, you will not be able to upload the answer sheet after 10:30 for the MCQs. Okay, so you will have to upload the answer sheet before 10:30. So I am going to explain the process how will you upload the answer sheet. So here your work. Okay, you will click on this at the, you can say, the objective portion, and you will the arrow, the up arrow mark. Okay, you click on this up arrow mark, and it will ask you to add the attachment. So you can add the attachment by your camera, by your file which you have taken the picture. Okay, add attachment. So अब इसमें आपको बता दें कि कहाँ से आप अटैचमेंट ऐड करना चाह रहे हैं. रिकॉर्ड वीडियो, टेक फ़ोटो. ओके, फाइल, लिंक, ड्राइव, कहीं से भी आप अपनी टेक फ़ोटो करेंगे तो आप अपने मोबाइल से फ़ोटो लेके उसको अपलोड कर देंगे. फाइल आपके पास कोई पड़ी है तो आप उस फाइल को इसमें डायरेक्टली अपलोड कर देंगे. फॉर सपोज ये मेरे पास अभी एक इमेज है. सो कोई भी आप इमेज, इसमें कोई भी आपकी फॉर सपोज मैं इसी को आपके अपलोड करना चाह रहा हूँ, ठीक है, वो मार्कशीट को। तो मैंने इस पर क्लिक किया। अब आपने सॉल्व करने के बाद जस्ट उसको मतलब स्क्रीनशॉट लेना है, ठीक है, मोबाइल के ज़रिए उसको अपलोड कर देना है। अब ये देखिए अपलोड हो गई। तो टर्न इन, इसको मैं टर्न इन कर दूंगा तो ये असाइनमेंट मेरे टीचर के पास चली जाएगी जो इस क्लास को डील कर रहा है। ओके, ये टर्न इन, अब ये असाइनमेंट सबमिट हो गई है। ओके, कीप इन माइंड कि आप इस असाइनमेंट को दोबारा सबमिट नहीं करवा सकते। ओके, दोबारा सबमिट नहीं करवा सकते, सो यू आर नॉट अलाउड टू resubmit the assignment. So just keep in mind that you have chosen the right file, okay, and the late submission is also not allowed. You cannot upload the submit the assignment after due time. So due time for the objective paper is 10:30, okay, 10 from 10 to 10:20 the time for the paper, objective paper, and 10 minutes are given to you for uploading the paper on Google Classroom. And after uploading the paper Google Classroom, you can see the subjective portion at 10:30. Okay, 10:30 at exact 10:30 the subjective portion will be in front of you, but you will have to refresh the browser. Okay, refresh your classroom. Okay, the subjective portion will be in front of you. So I have not assigned the, you can say, the privacy to the subjective paper, so it is in front of me right now, but in case of you it will not be available. Okay, it will be available at exact 10:30 subjective portion. So after it will be available, you will click on subjective and subjective paper. It will show you subjective paper. You will click on this. Okay, this is my subjective paper. Okay, and one thing more, beta, you first for this is a subjective paper. So when you are solving the question number 1, okay, question number 1, you will write the question number 1 on your answer sheet and you will go to the Zoom meeting. Okay, Zoom पे आप कैसे जाएंगे वो आप बता देता हूँ। ये फास्ट फूड आपको Zoom का लिंक है और मेरा पेपर है कंप्यूटर का, तो मैं कंप्यूटर के लिंक को क्लिक करूँगा। ओके, आई विल क्लिक ऑन द लिंक ऑफ द कंप्यूटर। ये Zoom के लिंक से आपके, अब इट विल ऑटोमेटिकली रीडायरेक्ट मी टू द Zoom। ओके, तो ये Zoom ओपन हो जाएगा मेरा। अब ये कह रहा है कि आपकी मीटिंग स्टार्ट नहीं हुई। तो मीटिंग मेरी स्टार्ट नहीं हुई तो मैं मीटिंग अपने दूसरी डिवाइस से स्टार्ट करता हूँ ताकि आपको समझा सकूँ मैं। लेकिन आप जब इसको ज्वाइन करेंगे तो आपकी मीटिंग ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड होगी, आपके टीचर Zoom पे आपको गाइड कर रहे होंगे। ओके, लेट वेट फॉर द जस्ट तो आपके टीचर वहाँ पे Zoom पे आपको गाइड कर देंगे, तो इसके आपको परेशान होने की जरूरत नहीं। अब लेट्स गो बैक टू द क्लासरूम। अब क्लासरूम पे आपके जब पेपर आप सॉल्व कर रहे होंगे साथ साथ आपका कैमरा भी ऑन होगा, ठीक है, कैमरा भी ऑन होगा, तो आप उसको, आपके टीचर उसको मॉनिटर कर देंगे, आपको देख रहे होंगे। ओके, अब इसमें क्या है, आप आफ्टर सॉल्विंग द कंप्लीट पेपर, आपके सारे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हो गए तो आपने फिर दोबारा उसको फाइल को अपलोड करना है। आप इसमें इंस्ट्रक्शन पढ़े, ऊपर देखिए टॉप पे इंस्ट्रक्शन लिखी हुई है, लेट सबमिशन इज नॉट अलाउड, यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू अपलोड आफ्टर 11:40. So you will have the time till 11:30 to solve the paper, and 10 minutes are again given to you for uploading the paper on Google Classroom. Okay, and after solving you will do the same process. You will click on this up arrow button at the bottom and you will add attachment. Okay, add attachment and click on file, and you will again upload the file. Okay, upload the file. So like this, again I have selected the file. You can also take the picture, okay, as well. Okay, the picture and the file have been uploaded. You can also add the comment, private comment at the bottom, okay, for your teacher. And if you have any issue or if you have any query in the question paper, you can also write the comment to these comments will be private to your teacher. Only your teacher can see these comments. okay, turn in, you will turn in and assignment will be in your teacher account. अब ये असाइनमेंट आपके टीचर अकाउंट में चली गई है, तो अब इसको आप क्या करें, बैक करें। तो ये आप देखें, अब आपके पास ये इस क्लास में, इस क्लास का वर्क, क्लास को क्लिक किया, क्लास वर्क पे गए, तो अब आप देखें ये आपके पास तो सब्जेक्टिव ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या हो गया, मतलब ये बता रहा है आपको कि ये आपने कर लिए हैं और आपने इसको डन कर दिया है। ठीक है, अब इसमें देखें योर वर्क आप चेक करेंगे, अटैचमेंट, ये आपकी अटैचमेंट। अब इसमें योर वर्क देखें, योर वर्क में आपके पास ये OMR शीट सबमिट आपने कर दी है। ठीक है, अब इसको अनसबमिट नहीं कीजिएगा आप, अनसबमिट नहीं करना आपने। ठीक है, अनसबमिट नहीं करना, अनसबमिट करेंगे तो आपके ये डिलीट हो जाएगी, आपके टीचर के अकाउंट से भी डिलीट हो जाएगी। ठीक है, इसको आपने अनसबमिट नहीं करना, अगर आपने अनसबमिट कर दिया तो आप इसको अगेन सबमिट नहीं कर पाएंगे। ओके, सो within the time till 11:40 you can submit the assignment. After 11:40 you will not be able to submit the assignment, the test. Okay, it is your paper, basically it is not assignment, it is your paper. So you can submit the paper till 11:40. For objective portion you will have only time till आपके पास टाइम कब तक है ऑब्जेक्टिव पेपर के लिए, 10:30 तक। 10:30 तक आप उसको सबमिट करवा सकते हैं और 10:30 के बाद आप उसको सबमिट नहीं कर सकते। 10:30 फॉर द ऑब्जेक्टिव पेपर एंड 10:30 के बाद आपके पास है टाइम, सपोज के 1.5 आवर का आपका होगा सब्जेक्टिव पेपर, तो उसकी इंस्ट्रक्शन आपकी अलग लिखी होंगी यहाँ पे टॉप पे, 1.5 आवर का, तो ये बन गया कितना, 12:10 तक। ठीक है, 12 o'clock तक आपका पेपर होगा और 12:10 तक आपके पास टाइम होगा उसको अपलोड करने के लिए। ओके, सो आपके पास टोटल टाइम होगा 2 hours and 10 minutes, 2 hours and 10 minutes, 2 hours and 10 minutes तक आप पेपर को अपलोड कर सकते हैं गूगल क्लासरूम के ऊपर। उसके बाद आप पेपर को अपलोड नहीं कर पाएंगे। सो यू विल हैव टू कीप इन माइंड अबाउट द टाइम एंड बी ऑन टाइम, upload the paper on time. If you have any query you can ask me the questions, I will solve your issues, solve your queries, I will be available. Okay, and so thank you and Allah Hafiz, have a nice day.